In case you missed the previous episode, after reaching Manwa and fully aware of what our cars are capable of and what the other one has to offer, it was finally time to head to the beach, as the tides had finally come down.
I thought these guys keep fighting about cars all the time. So I said, let's put some fly into AutoFly. So stick around and see what happens next.
After we were openly challenged, while things were still being set up, we thought we'll check out what the aero modeling world is all about. That's the aircraft flying. These are the two pilots.
Yeah, sure. Whenever he is ready, I'll position myself.
First of all, this is a beautiful model you've got out here.
Thank you.
What is the model actually?
This is basically a scratch-built aircraft made by me and my dad.
Oh wow.
It's from the First World War. So it's actually a British aircraft flown in the World War I in the 1940s. That's why you see it's more rigid and more naked than the current aircrafts that we have, the jets. It's a biplane, so you have two wings. And it's a British aircraft. It's called SE-5A.
SE-5A.
Yes, it's called SE-5A.
But I mean, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.
So this is actually a miniature. It's completely scaled down of the actual aircraft.
Okay.
So you see actually the machine gun on the top of the wing. You see the rigs. You see the pilot. It's got a four-stroke, four-cycle engine in the front, which is actually a 40 cubic inch Saito, which is a Japanese make engine. So we're going to fuel it up now.
What kind? Does it use a special kind of fuel? Or?
Yeah, it has a four-cycle special fuel, which is a mix of nitro, a mix of methanol, all of these blends.
Oh wow.
After getting a glimpse of the RC world, it was finally time to race. So guys, we're ready. The Endeavour's lined up far away there. We have the RC taking off, and there it goes.
Oh my god, this is gonna be sick. This is the first time I'm ever racing a plane. Now this is a glider plane. I don't know how fast it'll go. I don't know how badly he'll beat me or I'll beat the plane, but my god, this is insane. This glider plane, it's so innocent in looks, but that thing can fly. God, I can see it circling around from here. It's like an eagle. For it to come on the start line too, and I am here. Oh my god, this is exciting. It's just getting me on the edge. I'm actually nervous.
And we are going. It's gonna start. The Endeavour's there.
40, 50, 60.
Oh, this is so good.
Whoa! Oh my god! I haven't seen the flight maneuver so well. I mean, it's just an experience.
After giving the pilots a taste of winning, it was time to turn the tables and show them what cars are actually capable of.
On, check. Start moving. Go. And he's going again. Yeah. AutoFly. All good?
Come on, Swami! Yeah! Auto's winning! Come on, yeah! Cow beat the aircraft.
Maybe there's a little glider damage. I don't know what happened. The auto part of fly
Great there only.
really took out the fly. Yeah.
So guys, I'm lining up as well. It's very hot, but it's all worth it.
Get into position.
I'm getting into position, guys. Let's go! I beat the Endeavour. But the aircraft's right above me. Okay guys, we're going to do one run with just the cars now, without the aircrafts. And I think the X1 can kick the Endeavour's ass. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! I was in neutral. Oh my god, that was so sad. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, his 4-wheel drive definitely picks up quickly, but now I can smoke him. Oh shit, he beat me. Damn it. He beat me. 4-wheel drive, bro, that's why. It takes off. It takes off. Chal, again, one more. Three, 2, 1, go! Oh shit, he beat me. Damn it.
The Endeavour dusted it. Like, I was not expecting this. I thought X1 will perform better. Although it's a 2-liter engine, but from the way we were driving on the road, I thought it'll just outperform me. But once that 4-wheel drive kicks in, oh my god, it can grip the sand. How was that? I smoked him on the 4-wheel drive, kills it. Getting some casting ready. दादा माइक चेक ठीक है?
Thank you. Just a
40, 40,
30. Fucker. Tap, yeah, tap on that. 30 is the speed, not 40. 30.
Say go, that time you go.
Yeah. Did you get tan? Yeah, severe tan. I think he's flexing. He's just flexing to the camera.
You were outside the whole time. Yeah. In the car.
Put the GoPro on the windshield.
Fix it, man. Fix it, Dhruv.
The GoPro's outside, no? How does it matter?
It's on the glass here. I use the wiper. Stupid. Hey, stop recording. Stop recording.